How's the water today?
Well, I got molested by the dolphins.
Literally?
I went out to 1 mile, and then I came back at 3/4, and I stopped to see one, and then they just kept circling me.
On the reef.
I had to push them away.
A week ago, 2 or 3 swims ago, every other day.
Yeah.
And there was one over the reef